What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's currently 5:56 and I need to take you guys out. I'll show you a nice place to chill in Kitengela. Let's go. The weather is bad. Know what they say about this weather? It's time to treat myself. Can you guys believe it's only 6:02 p.m. and the weather looks like this? 10. Today is going to rain catted dogs. So it has already started to rain, but I'll continue going where I'm going, man. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. So this is where I'm going to chill today, guys. It's called Club 34. I think I'm going to visit that plane and just chill there. Okay, let's go. Let's go back. Let's just go find parking. Just put it here. So it's currently 6:10. I want to have dinner. I want to have some nyama choma and then head on. To be a quick treat for myself. Let's go and see what's up. So real men don't fear rain, man. Don't fear rain. Just going to get rained on like a. So this is the place. Looks like this. Yeah, and I'm currently parked up there. Let's go and see what's up.
Number 61. South.
So this is 034 5 Yankee Bravo X-ray. Let's go and see what's up. Bravo X-ray. So guys, unfortunately I can't show you how it is inside. You have to come and see for yourselves. Can't believe that one day I'll be flying on a plane like this. Come on. Breathe like a shade. Crazy, crazy. Always remember to treat yourself, man. Treat yourself.